Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get grid coins in Dragon City. Grid coins are the special currency you need to navigate the exciting Grid Island events. The only way to acquire these coins is by actively participating in various in-game activities and completing specific objectives. By consistently earning and spending them, you can unlock powerful dragons and exclusive items, significantly boosting your progress in the game. To earn grid coins, focus on completing your daily quests and event missions, as these are reliable sources. You'll also find that breeding and hatching dragons frequently offer bonus coins, so keep your breeding sanctuary busy. Don't forget to engage in arena battles. Successful fights can also contribute to your coin total, helping you advance through the grid island. To maximize your grid coin collection, always prioritize events that clearly list grid coins as their main rewards. Make sure to log in every day to claim any free coin bonuses or daily rewards that might be available. Additionally, planning your dragon breeding strategically can open up more opportunities to earn those crucial coins, ensuring you have enough for the grid island. Once you've accumulated grid coins, use them wisely to move your dragons across the grid island, uncovering hidden paths and claiming fantastic rewards. These rewards often include rare and powerful dragons, along with other exclusive items that will enhance your Dragon City experience. Remember to check the description for links to great deals and the Echo Dot smart speaker. Happy gaming, and may your dragon collection thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.